Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we are very excited because we have another product from Aolon, and this is the Aolon Watch GT5 Pro. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we are very excited because we have this another smartwatch from Aolon. This is with the Watch GT5 Pro. Just a quick specification guys. It has 1.6-inch HD screen, high strength Panda glass, heart rate monitoring, 100 plus sports modes, HD Bluetooth calling, blood oxygen monitoring, and compass navigation. We are very excited guys. Without further ado, let's open the box. So let's take this one out. Wow, I like this matte texture guys, and it has the Aolon logo here in the middle. It's very premium looking. So let's open this one. Ta-da! Wow, oh, this is really premium looking watch guys. So we have here the Watch GT5 Pro, and it has this manual. Okay, if you have any questions, just refer to your manual. Here the strap. So here on top you have this kind of leather material. Okay, but the bottom part it's kind of plastic. Okay, but it's really good guys. So see, it's nice. And also we have here another strap. Okay, wow, we've got two straps here you guys from Aolon. Okay, let's set this one aside. And we also have here the charging cable. Okay, so here it's magnetic. Okay, and the product itself, wow, I super like this one. Can you see? It looks really premium guys. The bottom or at the back part, so we have here the sensors and the magnetic pins there I believe. And in front, on the right side, so we have here three buttons. So it has this dedicated mode. So we have here this button here is sports mode, and this one is up, and the down button here. Okay, and the left, so we have here the home menu. Okay, and the power. Okay, so let's take this one out. Ooh, this GT5 Pro guys, it has Panda glass. So I believe that this Panda glass is really durable and it's really nice. Okay, and we have here, okay, it's quite heavy guys, but not that very heavy. Okay, it just has this premium feeling, and you can feel that it's really not cheap at all. Okay, but it's an affordable watch guys. So let's turn it on. Okay, so it says there Aolon. Okay, so you have here English. Tap on English and download the app. Okay, I will be back guys, and I will set this one up, and I will show the features of this watch. Alright guys, so we are back. So here is our GT5 Pro. Okay, it is really nice guys. I like this Panda glass. It really looks premium as you can see there. Okay, and let's try to check the features of this watch. So let's scroll down. So we have here the information when you have a message. When you scroll up, so you have here the shortcuts. Okay, as usual, and on the right We have here the shortcuts as well, and we are going to swipe to the left. Then we have here the widgets. Okay, the heart rate. So okay, you need to wear it in order for the sensors to light up, and if it is not on your wrist, then the sensors are not lighting as well, so it will really know if you're wearing it or not. All right, and let's try to check the different features. So we have here first exercise. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it has like hundreds of sports modes. So we have walking, running, indoor run, climbing, trail run, all horse, skipping, badminton, basketball, cycling, ice skating, workout, football, swimming, indoor ride, baseball, go upstairs, volleyball, shopping, hula hoop. Wow, it has lots of sports mode, guys. Rowing, motorboat, kite surfing. Okay, wow, it has really lots of sports mode, guys. Okay, so if you're interested, guys, you can actually check the link in the description box and you can check this product out. All right, so again, it has lots of sports mode, like hundreds of sports. Okay, it has also fitness record, activity log, heart rate. Okay, as I mentioned, you need to wear it in order for the sensors to light up. Okay, and if it does not in your wrist or on your wrist, then the sensors will not light as well, or will not work as well. We have here sleep, mindfulness. This is for relaxation. We also have here ECG. Okay, wow, let's check, guys, our ECG. Okay,
this is really nice, guys, because it has like ECG and it's really amazing. Yes, this feature is really interesting.
okay. This ECG shows no signs of atrial fibrillation. Wow. Okay, our average heart rate is 77 beats per minute, and this is really nice, guys. It's really interesting. And then we also have here temperature, and it says there, please wear it for more than 15 minutes. Do not measure it in extreme environments. Okay, blood pressure, blood sugar. Okay, let's check our blood sugar, if it can detect. Wow, it says their blood sugar level, that's 109.8 milligrams. Wow, I am not sure how it happened, but this is really interesting. Really interesting, guys. And wow, it's amazing. Okay, but if you have any health issues, you have to really use the approved medical device for your health. All right, and then we also have here settings. So off or screen display. So turn down the brightness of the dial, extend the display of the dial. Okay, mobile audio. All the audio will be transmitted to the watch. So mobile audio, so it means if you connect this to your phone, then your watch will become like a speaker, guys. That's interesting. Okay, and we also have here, okay, let's see, sedentary, language, password lock. Okay, and we also have here telephone, blood oxygen level. Okay, mail lists, QR code, camera, menstruation, voice assistant. Okay, it has also like games, calculator. Wow, this is really helpful, and I like the responsiveness of the screen, guys. It's not I cannot really say that there's an issue with the responsiveness. And the flashlight, okay, find my phone, timer, stopwatch, alarm clock, music, information, weather, calendar, meteorology. Okay, it has like this ultraviolet. Wow. Okay, it says here connect to the app. So later on, guys, I'll make a tutorial on how to connect this one to your phone. Shut down. And we also have here dial. Okay, so select dial, or this is the watch face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it has 11 watch face, guys. This is really nice, guys. And can you see here the compass? It is really good. Okay, so example, if you are using this watch, and you can see the compass here, east, west. Okay, so no matter where you go, then the compass is really working. So this is really nice watch, guys. I really recommend this, especially if you are traveling outside, and if you are especially if you're outdoors and you just suddenly lose contact with the internet. This one is really great, especially if you are going to have camping. Okay, so this is again this button here is for sports. This one is for compass and the change of watch face. Okay, so this is really nice, guys. It's amazing. Okay, especially this watch face here, and this one. Okay, it also changes the watch face, and this one is for menu, and here this is for the recent tasks. So you can just, you know, like choose the app that you opened before. This is really great. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this one, guys, and we'll see how it feels on our wrists. Wow, take a look at that, guys. It's really premium looking, and it feels good in the hands. And you can wear this one, guys, like when you go outside, and if you have like formal party to attend to. And this leather strap, it adds class to the watch. All I can say, guys, is that this watch has it all. Yes, I mean, what else can you ask for? It has the compass, and it has the features that you need, and especially the LED, or I mean the screen. It's really great with Panda glass, and the build, it's really durable. Yes, if I'm gonna give this rate, guys, if I'm gonna rate this one, I can say it has like 10 over 10. Yes, this is so far, or by far, the best watch that I unboxed here in our channel in this year 2024. Yes, so guys, I really recommend this, especially if you want to give a present to your father, or to your brother, your uncle. Wow, this is really a premium looking watch with an affordable price. Okay, so again, if you're interested, guys, you can tap on the link in the description box and get yours. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. And once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.